Hello everyone and welcome back to another exciting video on my channel. If you are new here, my name is Eze. We break down complex software concepts by creating practical, industry relevant applications, and I'm also super excited to have you join me today as we kick off an awesome new project. We are building a video compressor from scratch. This is going to be a multi-part series where we'll go step by step through the entire development process. So whether you are a beginner or someone with some experience in software engineering, there is definitely something here for you. Before we dive into the code, let me quickly reintroduce my channel Building with Eze to our new visitors. On this channel, I teach software engineering by building real-world projects. Everything from web apps, API, full stack systems, and now even multimedia tools like a video compressor. So if that sounds interesting to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss any part of this series. Now let's talk about what we are going to build. Our goal is to create a fully functional video compression tool that allows users to upload a video file, compress it using FFmpeg, all through a clean and responsive web interface. So let me break down the tech stack I used for this project and why each piece matters. For the front end, which is the client side, we use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the foundational technologies we will use to build the user interface. HTML is used for structuring the page, and then we use CSS for styling the page. And JavaScript will handle interactivity like uploading the files and showing progress updates. We are going to use Java Spring Boot for the server-side implementations, which is the backend. This will be the powerhouse of our backend server. Spring Boot is a robust framework that makes it easy to handle HTTP requests, manage file uploads, and communicate with FFmpeg. We are also going to use WebSockets. We will use WebSocket to enable real-time communication between the front end and the backend. This is especially useful for tracking the compression progress and updating the UI accordingly. FFmpeg. This will be the heart of our video compression. FFmpeg is a powerful open source tool for handling multimedia files. So we are going to integrate it directly into our backend to process and compress uploaded videos. Now, before we jump into writing any code, I want to show you how the final product works. Let's take a quick live demo so you can see what we are aiming to build. So right here, you are going to see how a user can upload a video. So there are two ways that a user can get his video file into the UI of the video compression app. He can click on this browse file. Once he clicks on this, he will be able to access and select a video from a folder in his PC. So that is one way for a user to actually select a video file for compression. And as you can see here, as soon as the user selects a video or chooses a video that he wants to compress, you can see that the video is displayed presently in the UI of the video compressor app, and then the name of the video is also displayed. The size of the video is specified here, and you can see that the type is also specified, which is MP4, and the size is 931 MB, and this is the file name, and this is the video to be compressed. All right, so you can see that you can actually preview the video. Another way for you to actually get your file into the UI of the video compression app or select a file is to drag and drop. You can drag the video from a folder into the video compression app UI. You can see, as I've just done here, I just dragged the video from a folder and into the UI, and you see the video is automatically selected, and the details of the video is displayed here, like the file name, the size, and the file type. Before we start the video compression, look at the downloads folder. That is where our compressed video will be outputted to. You can see that there is no file here. There's nothing in the downloads folder presently. All right, it is after the compression process is done, that is when a folder that will contain the video that will compress will be created, and it will be displayed here. You will see how that works now. So you can see that the compression button is initially disabled. All right, it is when you select a new file to be compressed, all right, that is when it becomes fixable or active to be clicked. So it is not clickable. But now let's select a file, and then you will see that it will become clickable. You see, so you can see it is clickable now. So let's start the video compression process. Now that the video is here, we can just click on the start compression, and then the video will start to compress automatically. You can see that the compression process have started by just clicking on the start compression button. So right now you can see the progress bar has appeared automatically. It's going to be showing us real-time update of the video compression process. So now I just want to show you the log of what is going on in the backend. You know, we are sending the real-time update using WebSocket from the backend. So these are the logs of what is happening. An update is being sent from the backend real-time to the front end, all right, of what has been compressed. So it is this update that is coming from the back end that we are using to update this progress bar that you are seeing presently. So it is going to be updating like this continuously until this video is fully compressed. All right, so if you look at this, if you pay attention to this log statement coming from the backend, you will see the progress. You see as it is updating. All right, so this is happening real time, and that is how the video is being compressed in the backend. So now you can see this compressed size is saying undefined. So when the compression process completes, then you will see the total compressed size. So you see that the compression process is complete, and now you can see the total compressed video size. All right, so you see this is the total compressed size. So now if you look at this place, now you see the original size around 386 MB. When we compress the video, we reduce it to 41.31 MB. All right, and you can see that it is 89.3% smaller. Can you imagine? And then the program also automatically created an output folder for us, and this is the location of the output folder. Beforehand, we don't have this output folder beforehand. All right, it is not available initially. It is when the video compression process is done, then the app automatically creates the folder for you. All right, if it does not already exist, because it's going to create it once, and then that is where it will be outputting files for you each time you compress a video file. So if the folder is already available, it uses it. But if it's not available, it creates it for you. Guys, look at the folder that it has created for us now. You see, it's a compressed video. So, and this is the video that has been compressed. So if you click on this compress another video, all right, it's going to take you back to the interface. So you can select a file again, and you can compress another video if you want to. You also have the option of canceling a video compression process that is in progress. All right, so if you are compressing a video and at a point in time you decide you don't want to continue with the compression process, you can click on this cancel button. All right, so once you click on this cancel button, the video will automatically cancel, and there will be some cleanup process that will be done in the backend, and any residual file that is created during the compression process will also be cleaned up properly. So when you click on this, you see there is this cancellation UI. all right, it's telling you that the video has been cancelled. So this is the name of the video that you cancel, and this is the original size of the video. But now that you know what we are building and how it works, stay tuned for part 2, where we'll start setting up the back end and the front end. So we're going to walk through the back end setup. We are going to create a Spring Boot project, and also we are going to configure the application of properties file. So then we'll also create a project for the app in the front end. So that is what we are going to cover in part 2. So stay tuned for part 2. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. If you're enjoying this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next part.